What if I told you your cute, sleepy cat at home is actually a descendant of a fierce, wild predator that once roamed ancient forests and deserts? From hunting in the wild to ruling the internet, cats have come a long way. But how did this transformation happen? Let's uncover the fascinating history and evolution of cats. Part 1. The Ancient Origins. The story of cats begins millions of years ago. Around 25 to 30 million years ago, early carnivorous mammals called miacids appeared. These small, tree-dwelling creatures are believed to be the ancestors of modern carnivores, including cats, dogs, and bears. Over time, evolution split these animals into different groups. One branch led to the family known as Felidae, the true cat family. The first true cats appeared about 10 to 11 million years ago, developing sharper claws, flexible bodies, and exceptional hunting skills. These early cats spread across continents, evolving into various species, some becoming the big cats we know today, like lions and tigers, and others remaining small and solitary. Part 2. The first domestic cats. Fast forward to around 9,000 to 10,000 years ago. Something incredible happened. In the region known as the Fertile Crescent, covering parts of modern-day Middle East, humans began farming. With stored grains came rodents, and with rodents came wildcats. One species, the African wildcat, scientifically known as Felis libica, started hanging around human settlements. But here's the interesting part. Cats weren't domesticated the way dogs were. Humans didn't capture and train them. Instead, cats chose humans. They stayed because it was beneficial, easy food, shelter, and safety. Over generations, these wildcats became more tolerant of humans, gradually evolving into the domestic cats we know today. Part 3. Cats in ancient civilizations. Cats soon became more than just hunters. They became symbols. In ancient Egypt, cats were deeply respected and even worshipped. They were associated with the goddess Bastet, who represented protection, fertility, and grace. Killing a cat, even accidentally, could lead to severe punishment. Many families even mummified their cats after death, showing how much they were valued. From Egypt, cats spread across the world, traveling on ships to control rodents and reaching places like Europe, Asia, and beyond. Part 4. As cats spread across different climates and regions, they adapted. Some developed thick fur for cold environments, like long-haired breeds. Others became lean and agile for hot climates. However, unlike dogs, cats have changed very little genetically. In fact, modern domestic cats still share about 95% of their DNA with wild cats. That's why your cat still shows wild behaviors, stalking toys, pouncing suddenly, or being most active at dawn and dusk. Selective breeding in recent centuries has led to the wide variety of cat breeds we see today, from fluffy Persians to sleek Siamese. But deep down, they're still hunters. Part 5. Cats today. Today, cats are one of the most popular pets in the world. They've adapted perfectly to human life while maintaining their independence. They don't just live with us. They coexist with us on their own terms. And maybe that's why we love them so much. Because even while curled up on our lap, they still carry the spirit of a wild predator. So next time your cat stares out the window or chases a tiny insect, remember, you're not just looking at a pet. You're looking at a living piece of history. A tiny, majestic hunter that chose to be part of your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing cat stories and facts. And tell me in the comments, What's the wildest thing your cat does?